Hello, what a gorgeous day out it is today. It's Sunday, August 9th, and my name is Chuck Black. I'm one of the producers of the Age of Ingenuity videocast. We normally post one of our shows every Monday morning, but we have a tiny bit of a crisis this time. I do a lot of cycling. You can see my bicycle right there. And a couple days back, I fell, and I'm fine, but I broke my laptop. So it's got to go to repair next week. It'll take a couple days to figure out what's wrong with it. Then I got to pay for it. So we're not going to post a show this Monday. Instead, you're going to get a video of me at the beach. This is Woodbine Beach, Toronto, Ontario, and it's a gorgeous day. Most of us are social distancing. We are all enjoying the weather, and it is just a beautiful day. Toronto's to stage 3 finally, so we can go to restaurants in this evening. I'm going to reconnect with a couple of friends, and I'm going to enjoy and recharge my batteries, which seems fair. We've done 25 shows over the last, I guess it's 5.5 months, and I went from somebody with absolutely no skills in this area to somebody who knew at least some basic editing. And now I'm trying something new. I'm trying to do videos out in the field. And in one take too, because without my laptop I can't do a lot of editing. But just remember, we are taking this week off. We may take a week off after that, but after 2 weeks we will be back. There's a lot of interesting things coming down the pipe in September. Some of it will be related to COVID. Some will relate to a number of expected things that are probably going to happen to consumers and to innovation corporations based on the massive inflation that we sort of expect to kick in over the next little while, things related to the debt crisis, and how smart, intelligent people react to all these changes that have happened for the last 6 months. So on behalf of Brian Arlotti and Al Calder and even John Pentham, who never comes on screen, I want to thank you for your viewership up until now, and I want you to remember that the Age of Ingenuity will be back with all new episodes over the next couple of weeks. And if we don't, I will post something like this to keep you guys informed about what's going on. So if you have any questions, concerns, or queries, let me know. We'll post this in the show notes and YouTube and on BitChute, and I look forward to your comments. Thank you very much for your time.